Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our Instagram app right here. And for example, if you're currently at your home page or any other page, just click on this on your profile icon, rather at the bottom right hand corner, and you should be on this page. If you're currently at your profile grid or your normal feed, just click on this little icon right here at the middle so that this will be able to show your uploaded reels as well as your reel drafts. So from here, let's click on the drafts option right here. This is where we can navigate through our draft reels, and what you're going to do is to choose the reel that you want to save to your gallery. So for example, I want to save this draft reel or reel draft to my gallery. I'm just going to tap on it. And this should be the page that you're going to see. And from here, let's click on this edit option at the top right corner. Like that. And then you can also add clips, and add more stickers, music, add text, and all that. But if you want to save this to your gallery, simply click on this arrow down button right here. And that should be saved to your gallery. So you can just click on next and post it if you like, or you can just keep it as a draft by clicking on the save draft option. So that is how you can basically save Instagram draft reels to gallery. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.